Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be doing a little maintenance on the K20 Type R motor. We're going to be doing some things like removing the serpentine belt, removing the alternator, the AC compressor, especially since I'm not going to be using that in my final build. Also going to be taking the entire engine harness off since I won't even be using that in the final build. I'll be using a rye wire harness, intake tubing. Another thing I'll be doing is draining the oil to get some extra weight off there. And yeah, just taking everything off, getting a better look at the motor, kind of cleaning it up a little bit, just seeing how the overall condition of it is, and then I have more access to clean stuff. And also it'll take a little more weight off of the engine stand since it's going to be sitting for a little bit before we can actually get around to doing the swap. Anyways, let's get into it, guys. And we are finished. As you guys can see, we've got the AC compressor removed, the alternator removed, the entire engine harness has been removed, and we drained the oil. So this thing is very bare bones now, and I'm gonna take my time, kind of go over things. I'll be replacing stuff like the rear main seal, just going over stuff, cleaning up stuff. And yeah, it looks very clean once you have everything removed, and I love the way it looks without that big plastic cover. I think that kind of looks a little goofy with the big IV Tech stuff. Definitely won't be running that when I get around to installing it in the car. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you have any comments, leave them below, and I'll see you in the next video.